All right, so this is what very much in the same vein. This is from the movie Unthinkable. By the way, he is defusing a nuclear bomb.
Oh, okay.
Did you catch it? Let me set the scene. This guy is hacking into a nuclear bomb, trying to defuse it. And I don't know if you can catch what he's typing into.
What
is that? What is he typing into? He is typing into an Excel spreadsheet, and I don't know if you can tell
Excel? No.
He's typing gobbledygook. He's typing gibberish into an Excel spreadsheet.
Oh my god!
And then that somehow is defusing the bomb.
It's because he memorized. No. He memorized that hash key.
You gotta be kidding. Okay, so he's typing on an Excel spreadsheet that somehow is wired into a nuclear bomb. Okay.
This is my favorite thing ever. There's no rhyme or reason to this. Look how many different cells that he's typing in. Look how the different rows and how many different columns all have different gibberish in it. You've got like
he is completely hosed. He forgot to enable the macros.
That's what it is.
It's totally, you know.
The bomb is disarmed. I repeat, the bomb is disarmed.
The bomb.
We're good.
Wow, man. I mean, you talk about some skills. That's what happens when your IT consultant budget is a whopping 0.
Where's that admin guy from the mailroom? Yeah, bring him up. We need him to write something.
that guy, he's like 19, right? He'll know about computers. Hey man, how would you defuse a nuclear bomb using a laptop?
We need to.
I'm just going to bring up Excel.
Mr. Director, we need to write this scene about defusing a bomb. Okay, get that kid Trevor. He set up my new iPhone for me. He can do it.
Yeah, right. Yeah, give one of those interns in here.
Where's the girl with the fruit? She could probably do it. She looks tech savvy.
My kid can do it. My kid can do it. He's a pro. He knows Xbox.
That's right. Yeah.